finality to this issue. Ntabam ndoni benekwi temonale temodeme namale mbalenjana ne yeke temo chuta mo ban mbamo ne yeke Kikpakpaaŋ bambe kitema bala chu tenan kwene buna anala dana kwene buna tedi insan biyabu akma ngone ba na ganga buke tegma jo tan kuma jo tamantan ba mo kuma ba ya bi lo Kikpakpaaŋ yaka nche ki yalente ba temoka ayimbul pun ana temoka atabunaka mada ku uyi dangba gejeli ko wanga ba ke umbia temo bia banaka tepa bidochina le Ubɔr gangmalan ke ba bank politician da matambo kana campaign ana kana ngana ba nisila kitama bwa mabanga biala kan wubir mu ka tumulo wir region biya ga ko Kikpakpaaŋ ne benebo temo banala ye ka Kikpakpaaŋ ma bin che ku wi biya na an kan development ba ka bu ye development ba ka benama che no me to na mu. I think I have to say this in English. Okay. What I was just saying is, with togetherness and oneness, definitely there will be development.
Sure.
My main concern and my appeal to the government, all the time we appeal to government. Everybody keep on using that word, appeal. I think this time around, we are pampering politicians too much. This is what they need to do. They know their basic things. My brother, when you are even going to our ancestral home, which we call Chabɔb, but they call it Saboba.
Okay.
You get to a town called Pala. After that, there's no any tie road to even our ancestral home. It's quite disrespectful. It's very painful, very dusty road, my brother, to the place, and that is not fair. That is not fair. So please, government, when you are doing developmental projects, just cast your mind to look at the Konkomba dominated areas and then probably let some of the development also go there. There is no any Konkomba dominated area that you will find even the nursing training school. You wouldn't even see university anywhere. Sometimes we feel we are neglected, but that is not the case. So please, I think that is my appeal. Ndono Bia, my regards to all the Konkomba chiefs, the revered chiefs, all Konkomba people. And then God bless you, my brother.
Thank you for coming to us well. Hana mrema ekwana edijumedeni na edi esi tunsafo hene yo no wo enkran Tema region ni mu Konkomba ene BASARE fo hene ti pacho se uye Konkomba ni na uye BASARE ni na wo nkran mantem wo Tema shama pa na se unya hunu de empacho